To watch the full lecture of all subjects, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon because whenever I post the new videos, you will get the immediate notifications. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, we'll solve one more problem which is related to the residential status. Mr. A is an Indian citizen, the word is very important, Indian citizen, who is appointed as a senior taxation officer by the government of Nigeria. So he's been appointed on the basis of employment. He leaves India. ಕೆಲಸದ ಮೇರೆಗೆ ಅವನು ಇಂಡಿಯಾವನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಫಾರ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಆನ್ ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಂಬರ್ 26, 2022. ಸೊ ಹಿ ಇಸ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅವನು ಇಂಡಿಯಾವನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಅವನು ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅವನು ಯಾವಾಗ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ? 26 ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಂಬರ್ 2022. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಆತ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. Determine the residential status. Yes, as we all know that we apply first basic rule. First basic rule na apply ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Basic rule is according to section 6 subsection 1 of IT Act of 1961. What does it says? Stay in India for a minimum period of 182 days in the previous year. So previous year, so ನಮ್ಮ previous year ಯಾವುದು 2022 to 2023 is our previous year. ಈ previous year ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕನಿಷ್ಠ ಪಕ್ಷ 182 ದಿನಗಳು ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. At least 182 days he should have stayed in India in the previous year. Now we have information telling that he left India. So they have told that he left India on what date? On 26th September. So 26th September 2023 he left 2022 he left India. Now let us check how many days he was there. In the month of April he was there full month. So 30 days. May month also he was there full month. April, May, June also he was there for full month. Next July also he was there for full month. June, July, August also he was there for full month. August is 31 days plus September he left on 26th, means 26 also we need to consider. He was there for 26 days. Now total up 30 days plus 31 plus 31 plus 30 plus 31 plus 30 plus 31 plus 31 plus 26. If you total up you get 179 days. So since Mr. A, okay, he's staying in India for only 179 days. ಆತ ಕೇವಲ 179 days ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. So since he is there in India only for 179 days, he cannot be considered as resident of India and basic rule number 2 is not applicable. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಬರಿಬೇಕು, since Mr. A is living India for the purpose of employment. ಕೆಲಸದ ಕಾರಣದಿಂದಾಗಿ ಆತ ಇಂಡಿಯಾವನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ basic rule number 2 is not applicable. Basic rule 2 is not applicable. So basic rule 1 ಮಾತ್ರ ಆತನಿಗೆ applicable. ಅದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಅವನು ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನಾವೀಗ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. Since Mr. A is staying in India for only 179 days, he is not satisfying the basic rule. Therefore, he will be termed as non-resident ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ಅವ್ನು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ರೂಲ್ನ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಿದ್ದೇ ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. ಬಟ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ರೂಲ್ ಅವನು ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದನ್ನ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡದೇ ಇರೋ ಕಾರಣದಿಂದಾಗಿ ಅವನ ನಾನ್ ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಆತನನ್ನ ಡೀಮ್ಡ್ ಟು ಬಿ ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲೂ ಅವನ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಬಲ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗಿವನ್ ದೋಸ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೋಸ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್, so we cannot consider him as even deemed to be resident also. Therefore, Mr. A is considered as non-resident of India. Hope you understood this video very well. Please solve this problem by yourself. If you don't understand or if you get any doubt while solving the problem, please let me know all your doubts and queries so that I'll respond to your doubts and queries as soon as possible. Thank you for watching the video. I'll come back with the next video. If you have any queries regarding today's session, kindly send your queries to education.mbroadcast@gmail.com.